Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to make circular progress bars in CapCut. So, let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to CapCut on your computer screen and open it. As you can see, I have already opened it on my PC. Let's start the process by creating a new project. Once the CapCut video editor opens up on the screen, from the top left side, open the Text tab and drag the default text box onto the track at the bottom of the screen. I will adjust the text box length to about 8 to 10 seconds by stretching from one side. Next, open any web browser and visit this website. Click on the circle icon to copy it. Now, let's go back to CapCut. In the Text Basic tab, replace the text with the copied circle. Resize the circle by stretching from the corners in the Video Preview tab and make it bold. Scroll down a bit and change the circle color. Now, select the text box on the track to make a copy and paste it onto a new track. Ensure both are positioned correctly. From the top left side, find the Color feature again and change the copied circle's color. From the top menu, open the Animation tab and scroll down the library to find the clock wipe animation. Once you find, select it, and it will be automatically applied to the selected circle. Set the animation duration according to your needs, and you can see that it looks perfect. Now, let's drag another text box onto a new track and adjust its length to about 1 second. From the top right side, replace the text with digits. Change the text font to one that you like, adjust its size by adding a specific value, and make it bold if you want to. Now right-click on the text box, select Copy, and paste it onto a new track. You can also make copies by selecting the text box, then pressing the Alt key on your keyboard and dragging the selected text box. Make sure all these boxes are positioned correctly. Now let's change the digits of all these text boxes one by one. Once everything is done, let's have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can make a circular progress bar in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.